Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell 14 2-in-1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell 14 2-in-1 is suffering from water damage and won't turn on, you're likely facing a significant issue. Water ingress can cause corrosion on the internal components, leading to failure. If this isn't addressed promptly, it can lead to more extensive damage and potentially render your device unusable. To begin the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and replacement components if necessary. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. First, carefully remove the back cover using the spudger. Gently run the spudger along the edges to dislodge the clips without damaging the casing. Once the cover is off, inspect the interior for any visible signs of water damage, especially around the motherboard and battery. The battery is often the first component affected by moisture, so locate it and disconnect the cables carefully. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the battery in place. Remember to keep track of these screws, as they can be tiny and easily lost. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the battery, check for corrosion on the motherboard. If you find any, it's best to clean it gently with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. If the motherboard appears damaged beyond repair, you may need to replace it entirely. To do this, disconnect all attached cables and screws holding the motherboard in place. Carefully lift it out, and replace it with a new one, reconnecting all cables securely. Finally, reinsert the battery and reattach the back cover, making sure all clips are secured properly. Ensure everything is in place, then power on your device to check if it's functioning as expected. If you followed these steps and everything is working, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dell 14 2-in-1. To prevent water damage in the future, consider using a protective case and keeping your device away from liquids. Always be cautious when working around water to avoid similar issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.